Good afternoon, Tarrytown Tigers. I know that this is coming on a little later in the day. Sorry about that, but I just wanted to do a small read aloud for Cinco de Mayo. So this story is actually called Marco's Cinco de Mayo, and let's go over some of the vocabulary before we start reading. Okay, let's go to the glossary. All right, so celebrate. To do something special and show that a day is important. Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo is actually Spanish for the 5th of May. Costume is special clothing. People wear costume to look like someone else or look like they come from a different time or place. Instrument. An instrument is something you use to play music. Maracas. Maracas are a hollow instrument with small objects inside to make a rattling sound. Now, when we're done with the story, I might post a little how to make your own maracas video on TikTok and put it on the Google Classroom so you guys can find it. Let's move on. Mariachi. The mariachi use these maracas because they're a kind of musical band that are popular in Mexico and parts of the United States. A Mexican American is a person in the United States whose family originally came from Mexico. Tortilla is a thin, flat, round piece of bread. Now let's go ahead and start our story from the beginning. Back to the first page. All right. Now let's go ahead and start reading Marco's Cinco de Mayo. What is Cinco de Mayo? Hi, I'm Marco. See my costume? It's for Cinco de Mayo. That is a holiday that started in Mexico. People there speak Spanish. Cinco de Mayo means the 5th of May in Spanish. Mexico is the neighbor of the United States. Many people have moved from Mexico to live in the United States. Many people in the United States have family members in Mexico. My family is Mexican American. We celebrate Cinco de Mayo here in the United States too. My city has a big parade. There are games, carnival rides, music, and dancing. The yummy Mexican food is the best part. So Cinco de Mayo celebrations are popular in the U.S. in many U.S. cities. You don't have to be Mexican American to go. The celebrations in the United States are bigger than most in Mexico. Chapter 2, A Big Problem. This year, I haven't even had one taco. I'm too nervous. I'm one of the dancers. Lots of people are here to watch. Dancers and other people wear costumes for Cinco de Mayo. The costumes are based off different times and places in Mexico's history. What if I forget all the steps? There's my cousin Diego. He's the one who taught me this dance. Last night, Diego told me a story. He said that it would help if I felt afraid. Chapter 3, Brave and Proud. Diego told me about the first Cinco de Mayo. It happened about 150 years ago. France sent many soldiers to Mexico to start a war. People throughout thought the French soldiers were the best in the world. Spain ruled Mexico for hundreds of years. The Mexicans fought a war to be free from Spain in 1810 to 1821. When the French soldiers came in 1861, the Mexicans got worried. They did not want to lose their freedom again. The Mexican army was small, but the Mexicans were brave and proud of their country. On May 5th, 1862, they did something surprising. They won a battle against the French soldiers. The May 5th battle did not end Mexico's war with France, but the Mexican people remembered Cinco de Mayo. They kept fighting, and finally, they won. I can be brave and proud too. I listen to a mariachi band while I wait to go on stage. Mariachi music has been popular in Mexico for a long time. The mariachi bands use instruments like violins, guitars, and trumpets. The band members wear fancy costumes. Suddenly, my feet are ready to dance. Chapter 4. The Taco Battle. Diego says I did a great job dancing, and it sure made me hungry. We have a taco eating battle. I can eat 2 more tacos than Diego. Tacos are made from tortilla wrapped around filling. Tortillas are Mexican bread. They are flat, thin, and round. Boom! The fireworks flash the colors of the Mexican flag. Cinco de Mayo is almost over. But tomorrow I'm going to practice my dancing again. I will be ready to dance next May the 5th. Alright guys, that